So I had a major failure with this already. Kind of want to do some videos of it in action, but I split, I don't know, probably half a cord. And my uncle used it and split one piece, and it started blowing fluid out of the cylinder. So these top two bolts broke off. I'm not really sure why. Other than, and you can see a gap in here. When this was still had the small engine on it, vibrated a lot. Or, you know, maybe it's got too much pressure. I don't know, but thought maybe they just come loose or something. And we're at an angle and cracked and broke. So I got them welded on. So maybe that made this rod weak. I don't know, but I happen to have some new rods laying in my hydraulic cylinder supply or parts or whatever you call it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back together and try it again, I guess. Kind of lucked out. I bought all this stuff at an auction, and we just happen to have 4 of these rods that I think are exactly the same as what's in there. I'm thinking I'm gonna make new ones. I have to cut threads on here, so I'll have to find a die for that, but I'll have to measure that. It might be a little bit bigger. Maybe it'll still work. I don't know. There. See what happens. I gotta find one of these O-rings here. It's absolutely destroyed. It's kind of big, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about getting one of those. I don't think I got anything remotely close. Put it back together, see what happens. Oh, hot. I don't know if it'll hold, but I got it melted down into this rod good. Get this one tacked on, but I'm gonna melt this one like crazy too and see how it works. Grind that shoulder down a little bit, but that's what I got. Reuse these 2 old ones. Just see if it works. I don't even know if my seal is gonna work. These ones are, I couldn't make work, but I'm gonna just try this out and see how it does. So it's official. I'm pretty bummed out because I just blew out again right away, all over my puppy too. So I'm not sure what's going on here, but it worked really good the little bit I used it. So I'm gonna have to do some research.